How to use Zacks Trade Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Zacks Trade is a popular online brokerage, but many beginners misread reviews and make mistakes that cost them money or opportunities. Here's how to use Zacks Trade Reviews properly. The first mistake is relying solely on star ratings. Most people get this wrong by assuming a high rating automatically means it's perfect for them. Read detailed reviews to understand the pros and cons like trading fees, account types, and platform tools. Second mistake, ignoring the reviewer's trading style. You won't believe how many users complain because the platform didn't suit their needs. Zacks Trade works best for active traders and investors who need detailed research and analytics. Beginners or casual investors may feel overwhelmed. Third mistake, overlooking fees and commissions. The surprising truth is that some reviews focus on features but skip cost details. Check user feedback about hidden fees, inactivity charges, or foreign transaction costs. Fourth mistake, dismissing customer support experiences. Many reviews mention how responsive Zacks Trade support is during account setup or technical issues. Pay attention to these insights as they affect your overall experience. Finally, failing to combine reviews with official resources is common. Always check Zacks Trade's website for the latest tools, promotions, and terms to confirm what reviews say. Using Zacks Trade Reviews properly means reading beyond star ratings, focusing on trading style, checking fees, considering support, and validating information. Avoid these mistakes to trade smarter and make informed investment decisions.